Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply for Level 2 options trading on Webull. First, open the Webull app and tap the settings icon at the top of your screen. Select Options Trading Level. Here, you'll see your current trading level displayed. Scroll down and tap Reapply for options. On the next screen, check the required boxes and tap Continue. Review and update your employment and financial information if needed. Scroll to the section labeled Choose Option Trading Level. Select Level 2, tap OK to confirm, and then submit your application. Your request will be reviewed, and once approved, Level 2 options trading will be enabled on your Webull account. And that's it! You've successfully applied for Level 2 options trading on Webull. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.